Hello everyone, this is Milton. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to get more citations to your research. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and click the bell symbol so that you will get the latest updates. Normally, the worthiness of a research paper is determined by the citations. After the publication of the research paper, we will be looking for citations. How to get more citations and what are the ways? Let us see and discuss in detail. In my opinion, there are two ways to get more citations to our research work. One is bringing wide visibility to our research work, and the other one is the contribution presented in our research paper. When we publish our research work in Web of Science and Scopus indexed journals, our research work will get more visibility and it will lead to more citations. On the other hand, we can also bring visibility to our research work in the form of uploading our research paper in social network platforms, research and academic platforms such as ResearchGate, Academia, and etc. In addition to that, we can also upload our research paper in our personal and institutional websites. This will also bring more visibility to our research work and it will also lead to get good citations. The most important is what contribution we have presented in our research paper plays a vital role. We have to be very careful when drafting our research paper. Normally, we will pay more attention to our proposed work and we will explain it well. Sometimes we will give less importance to the introduction and related work sections. In that sense, our introduction will be in general, which is known by all, and in the related work section also we will not discuss in deep. Just we will write, in this paper this author has mentioned this methodology or proposed this algorithm and it is useful for this. So like that, the simple discussions or simple illustrations we will present in our manuscript. We will not be discussing the contributions in detail. This is not the right one. We have to give same importance to all the sections to get more citations. Just understand, when we give more importance to a proposed work and we explain it well, the other researcher who is working very close to our proposed research work only will cite our paper. On the other hand, when we give importance to all the sections such as introduction and related work also in our research paper, the possibility to get more citation is high. The content presented in the introduction and related work sections also can be used by other researchers and getting citation possibility is high. For example, the content we have presented in our introduction also can be used. Similarly, the illustrations we have presented in the related work section also can be used by other researchers and other researchers can derive new research from the related work sections. Now, what kind of contents should be presented to get more citations? So, deep discussion, key elements or characteristics, explanation of the methodology, advantages and disadvantages. So in all the sections, in related section also, if we provide a deep discussion about the previous works, that also can be used and our paper will be cited. Thank you very much for watching this video. In this video, I have explained how to get more citations. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell symbol. Very soon, I will meet you in another video with another concept. Thank you very much for watching.